Hey folks, turned out to be a pretty comfortable day across the valley. Bright sunshine, low humidity, not a whole lot of wind. Temperatures bouncing back up into the 70s across the area. Already up to 80 in Rio Grande City. A little cooler at the coast, about 69 in Port Isabel right now. Brownsville checks in at 73. Look at the dew points. They're down in the 20s and 30s across the area. We'll put the average of 30 on the muggy meter, and it's off the chart. That's how dry the air is. Very, very comfortable out there. And it'll be that way, although the dew point will start to work its way up over the next couple of days. Lows tonight should be around 50 or so, give or take a few. A little warmer at the beach, a little cooler in the west, so not quite as chilly as last night, but still a cool night. And then tomorrow we're pushing 80 across much of the valley. 81 in Rio Grande City, about 80 in McAllen, about 74 at the beach. Looks like another pretty nice day. In fact, the next 3 days look well above normal. The normal high for the end of January, early February is 72. We're going 79, 83, 83. So our weekend cool down was just that, a weekend cool down. We're right back where we left off last week. Cloud cover wise, haven't seen a lot today. Some patchy high clouds moving over during the course of the early morning, but those have since gone away. And Future Track says it'll stay pretty quiet all night. Cool temperatures overnight and then sunshine tomorrow warms us back to those readings we showed you. Tomorrow night, not much change. Patchy clouds overnight, but for the most part, partly to mostly sunny and very warm on Wednesday. And this whole process repeats itself on Thursday. Maybe a few more clouds. It's a very weak disturbance. It's in the process of falling apart, drifts across the area into Thursday. It could trigger a few more clouds, but that's it, nothing more than that. So we're dry Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and beyond that. Across the rest of Texas, look, the 70s have gone all the way up into Dallas, in fact, all the way up into Oklahoma this afternoon, 72 in Oklahoma City. A little cooler when you get back to the west, 69 in Midland, Odessa, 62 in El Paso at this hour. There is a front on the map, but it's just barely getting to Texas by tomorrow, just barely. There it is. By Wednesday, sneaks into the state. It's not going to get here, though. We're going to stay on the south side of it. All the fronts for the next 7 days stay well away from the valley. So while we get something in the middle of the state, doesn't reach us, so we just get more humid as the southeasterly wind kicks back in and brings more humidity and patchy clouds back into the region. Traveling tomorrow, midweek trip up to San Antonio. The day will start at 47. Dallas will start at 49, 50 in Houston. By afternoon, most of the state back in the 70s once again. So for us tonight, mainly clear and a little bit chilly, 50 for a low. Light winds out of the southeast. Tomorrow, close to 80, mostly sunny, a little warmer, southeasterly winds 7 to 15. So here we go. We're at 79, 83s. 85s, 87, 88. This is January and February, and we're looking at 80s, almost 90 by the end of the forecast period. Very unseasonably mild. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.